Hey guys, so today I am going to discuss how you can increase the file size here while importing your database into phpMyAdmin. For example, the maximum file size that is allowed right now is 5 MB. So if you wanted to import a database which is a bigger size, so it will give you an error like this, and it will say you probably try to upload a file that is too large, and please refer to the documentation to increase this limit. So to increase this limit, first of all I will recommend you um, to go to the C directory where the XAMPP is installed, and here you have to go to PHP, and here you have to find the php.ini file. Okay, there is the configuration from where you can increase the file size. Okay, so this is php.ini file. If you will open it here you can see you have to look for these 5 options, and these 3 will help you to increase the execution time. Obviously, when the file will be large, you need the more execution time to execute the queries and to importing the database. First of all, you have to look it for these 2 options, the post maximum size. You can search here. It's here, so you have to increase it depending upon the requirement, how much you need. So let's say for now I can say 128 MB the size, and the second option was upload maximum file size. Change it as well accordingly. Let's say it's 256 bits, it's already okay, more than enough. And you have to increase the execution time as well. It's 300, you can say 3000 again. And the input time as well you can increase, but you have to according to your requirements you have to change the values for these 5 options in the configuration file, and then you have to just save it. Okay, and after saving the php.ini file, you can reload it and see the still it says still 5 MB. So to make it effect, you have to restart your Apache and MySQL like this, and if you will reload it now, you can see the size is 128 MB right now. So this way you can increase the size. So when you will import this file now, this database, it will be automatically imported, as you can see here. It will take some time. It will be imported. So this way you can import a bigger database into your phpMyAdmin, and I will add these 5 lines as well in the description of this video. You can just copy from there if you need it help from these, and if you have any questions you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching my video.